Today I'm going to show you how to create a letter manipulation or 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First we'll create a new document by going to File and New. Make the width 6000 pixels. The height 4000 pixels. The resolution 300 pixels per inch. The color mode RGB and 8 bits per channel. Open the background contents and select white. Then click Create. Select your text tool from the toolbar. Go to Window. And Character. The font I'm using the Arial Black. The font size 700. Click the text color. And select dark gray color. Now click on your document and type out your text. Select your Move tool from the toolbar. And drag your text to a position you like. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Name the top layer, Text. Then disable the layer. Select the layer below. Click the FX icon and choose the color overlay. Click the color box. In the color picker, choose light gray color. The blend mode is normal. And the opacity 100%. Now enable the top layer. This time I'm going to make a 3D text effect. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and right arrow key multiple times. Select the 36 layers by holding down Shift key. Then press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. Double-click on this, and rename it 3D Text. Select the top layer. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your photo. Then decrease the opacity. Now adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Then right-click and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Drag the copy and drop it below text layer. Then right-click and create clipping mask. Go to Image. Adjustments. And Exposure. Make the exposure 1.55. And the gamma correction 0.75. Select the top layer, then press Ctrl J to duplicate. Go to Select. And Subject. Then create a layer mask. Select your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush. Make the opacity 100%. The flow 100%. Select the mask. Make sure foreground color is black. And just paint on the zebra just like that. Select the 5 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Name the copy, Letter Manipulation. The layer below, Reflection. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Right-click and choose the Flip Vertical. And then drag it down. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Then create a layer mask. Select your gradient tool from the toolbar. Click the gradient bar at the top. Open the Basics preset folder, and click Foreground to Background. Click the linear gradient box at the top. Make sure foreground color is black. Go to the bottom of your document, and press and hold Shift as you drag a line to the middle. Decrease the opacity to 85%. Select the top layer. Click the FX icon and choose the drop shadow. The blend mode is multiply. The color is black. The opacity is 60%. Make use global light is checked. The angle is 90 degrees. The distance is 8 pixel. The spread is 10%. And the size is 18 pixel. Right-click on the FX icon and create layer. Select the shadow layer. Then create a layer mask. Select your brush tool from the toolbar. Make sure foreground color is black. Paint with black to erase the extras. Select the bottom layer. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a gradient. Click the gradient bar. Open the Basics preset folder, and click Black and White. Click the lower left stop. Click the color box. Select the dark color of the subject background. Click the lower right stop. Click the color box. And select the bright color. And that's it. Thanks for watching.